Meditation is a gentle practice that can bring remarkable benefits, especially for seniors. Imagine starting your day with just a few minutes of quiet reflection and noticing how your mood lifts and your mind feels clearer. Simple techniques, such as mindful breathing or guided imagery, are easy to learn and can be done anywhere. Over time, these practices help reduce stress, improve sleep, and even lower blood pressure. Many seniors find that meditation offers a sense of calm and control, making daily challenges feel more manageable. The beauty of meditation is that it requires no special equipment, just a willingness to pause and focus on the present moment. With regular practice, you may discover a renewed sense of well-being and joy in everyday life. Imagine sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, and feeling a gentle wave of calm wash over you. Science shows that meditation, especially mindfulness practices, can actually change the way our brains work. For older adults, these changes are particularly meaningful. Regular meditation helps increase levels of serotonin and dopamine, the chemicals responsible for mood and well-being. It also reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, which can be especially beneficial in managing anxiety and promoting restful sleep. Studies have found that seniors who meditate regularly experience improved memory, sharper attention, and a greater sense of emotional balance. In essence, meditation isn't just a moment of peace, it's a powerful tool for nurturing both brain chemistry and emotional health as we age. As we grow older, it's not uncommon to encounter new challenges with mood and stress. Many seniors find themselves coping with feelings of loneliness, anxiety, or even frustration as life changes unfold, whether it's retirement, health concerns, or shifts in family dynamics. These emotional hurdles can sometimes feel overwhelming, but there are practical tools that can help. Meditation, for example, offers a gentle yet effective way to manage stress and uplift mood. By setting aside just a few minutes each day to focus on breathing and mindfulness, seniors can cultivate a sense of calm and resilience. Over time, meditation can help reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and foster a more positive outlook, making it a valuable ally in navigating the golden years. Imagine starting your day in a quiet, cozy corner of your home, where the morning light gently filters in. For many seniors, finding a comfortable space is the first step to making meditation a regular habit. It could be a favorite armchair by the window or a peaceful spot in the garden. Setting aside just a few minutes each day, perhaps after breakfast or before bedtime, can make a world of difference. Consistency is key, and even 5 minutes of focused breathing can help calm the mind and ease tension. Over time, this simple routine becomes a cherished part of daily life, offering a sense of peace and grounding no matter what the day brings. Imagine sitting comfortably in your favorite chair, taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose, and feeling your chest gently rise. Guided breathing exercises are a powerful tool, especially for those of us navigating the golden years, to quickly calm the mind and ease anxiety. By focusing on each inhale and exhale, you can create a sense of peace that washes over you in just a few minutes. Many seniors find that practicing this technique before bed or during stressful moments helps them regain control and clarity. The beauty of guided breathing is its simplicity. No equipment needed, just a quiet space and a willingness to pause. Over time, these moments of mindful breathing can become a cherished ritual, supporting both emotional and physical well-being. Imagine settling into a comfortable chair, letting your eyes close, and taking a deep, calming breath. Body scan meditation is a gentle practice where you slowly bring your awareness to each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving upward. As you focus on each area, notice any sensations, warmth, or tension, and simply observe without judgment. With each exhale, imagine releasing any tightness you find, allowing your muscles to soften and relax. This mindful attention not only helps ease physical discomfort, but also quiets the mind, creating a sense of peace. Many seniors find that practicing body scan meditation regularly can improve sleep, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. It's a simple yet powerful way to reconnect with your body and invite relaxation into your daily routine. Imagine closing your eyes and picturing a place that brings you comfort. A sunlit garden, a quiet beach, or even a cherished memory from years past. Visualization is a powerful technique that allows us to harness the mind's natural ability to create calm and positivity. By focusing on uplifting images, we can gently shift our mood and reduce feelings of stress or worry. Many seniors find that spending just a few minutes each day visualizing peaceful scenes helps them feel more centered and hopeful. Over time, this practice can become a reliable source of comfort, offering a gentle escape and a renewed sense of inner peace. It's a simple tool, but its effects can be profound, especially during moments when life feels overwhelming. Mantra meditation is a practice that involves quietly repeating calming words or phrases, helping to anchor your thoughts and foster emotional resilience. Imagine starting your day by softly saying a phrase that brings you peace, allowing your mind to settle and your worries to fade into the background. Over time, this simple ritual can become a powerful tool for managing stress and maintaining mental clarity. Many seniors find that mantra meditation not only soothes anxiety, but also strengthens their sense of inner calm, even during challenging moments. By focusing on a meaningful word or phrase, you create a gentle rhythm that guides your mind away from distractions. This practice is accessible to everyone, requiring no special equipment, just a quiet space and a willingness to embrace the present. As you repeat your chosen mantra, you may notice a growing sense of comfort and stability, enriching your emotional well-being throughout your golden years. Imagine sitting quietly in your favorite chair, the gentle hum of the air conditioner blending with the distant chirping of birds outside. Mindful listening invites you to focus on these everyday sounds, letting them draw your attention away from worries and towards the present moment. For many seniors, this practice can be a simple yet powerful way to feel grounded and calm. By tuning into the subtle rhythms around you, the rustle of leaves, the ticking of a clock, you create a sense of connection with your environment. Over time, mindful listening can help reduce stress and enhance your appreciation for the little details that make each day unique. It's a gentle reminder that peace is often found in the sounds we usually overlook. Imagine sitting in your favorite chair, sunlight streaming through the window, and discovering a moment of peace right where you are. Chair meditation is designed for those with limited mobility, making mindfulness accessible to everyone, regardless of physical ability. By adapting traditional meditation techniques, such as focused breathing and gentle visualization, seniors can experience relaxation without needing to sit on the floor or maintain challenging postures. The key is comfort, finding a supportive seat and allowing your body to settle. With each breath, tension melts away and a sense of calm takes its place. Chair meditation empowers individuals to nurture their well-being, proving that tranquility is possible at any age and in any circumstance. Building a consistent meditation practice can be transformative, especially in your golden years. Start by choosing a specific time each day, perhaps right after waking up or before bedtime, to anchor your routine. Keep your sessions manageable, just 5 or 10 minutes to begin with, so it feels inviting rather than overwhelming. Create a comfortable space, maybe a favorite chair by the window or a quiet corner with a cushion, to signal to your mind that it's time to unwind. Celebrate small milestones like a week of daily practice to reinforce your progress. Over time, you may notice subtle shifts, calmer mornings, improved focus, or simply a greater sense of peace. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination, and each session is a gentle step toward well-being. Many seniors are surprised by how quickly they notice a lift in their mood and energy after trying simple wellness techniques. For example, after a short walk in the morning sunlight, you might feel a gentle sense of vitality and clarity. Breathing exercises can bring a wave of calm, helping worries fade into the background. Even a few minutes of stretching or mindful movement can leave your body feeling lighter and more flexible. Often, these changes are subtle at first. A smile comes easier, or you find yourself humming a favorite tune. Over time, these small shifts accumulate, making each day feel a bit brighter and more manageable. Recognizing these immediate improvements is an encouraging sign that your efforts are making a real difference. Across the country, seniors are discovering the transformative power of meditation. Take Margaret, a retired teacher from Ohio, who found peace after years of restless sleep. By dedicating just 10 minutes each morning to mindfulness, she noticed her anxiety melt away, and her days felt brighter. Then there's Harold, a former engineer who struggled with chronic pain. Through guided meditation, he learned to manage discomfort and found a new sense of control over his body. These stories aren't unique. Many older adults report feeling more joyful, less stressed, and better equipped to handle life's challenges thanks to regular meditation. The real-life benefits are clear. Meditation offers a gentle path to calm and happiness, no matter your age. Exploring new resources can be a wonderful way to stay engaged and informed in your golden years. There are several apps designed specifically for older adults, offering everything from brain training exercises to easy-to-use fitness trackers. Books like Successful Aging by Dr. Daniel Levitin provide expert insights into maintaining health and happiness as we age. Community groups, both online and in person, offer a chance to connect with peers, share experiences, and learn new skills. Local libraries often host workshops and book clubs tailored for seniors, while organizations such as AARP provide a wealth of educational materials and support networks. By tapping into these resources, you can continue to grow, connect, and thrive at any stage of life. As we journey through our golden years, embracing new habits can bring unexpected rewards. Simple meditation techniques, practiced regularly, can help cultivate a sense of calm and clarity, even on the busiest days. Many seniors have found that just a few minutes of mindful breathing or gentle visualization can transform their outlook, making daily challenges feel more manageable. By giving yourself permission to slow down and focus inward, you open the door to greater peace and positivity. Remember, it's never too late to nurture your well-being and discover the joys of a more tranquil mind.